What's up? I'm Ralph from Poimoto, and this is my project. I bought this 2006 GSX-R to see if I can build it to be better using only eBay parts. Yep, eBay. Now I know that cheap parts are frowned upon, especially in the bike community, for multiple reasons. I mean, for one, they're cheap, but then safety. But I'm a college student and I don't have the funds to get expensive name brand parts for what's essentially a toy. So if you're interested in seeing this bike's transformation, make sure to follow along. I'll be posting weekly and I would appreciate feedback on what you want to see next. Until then.